How to get an invoice from Shein. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. I will guide you through the easiest way to get yourself an invoice from Shein. All you need to do is head over to shein.com, or if you have installed the Shein app, go ahead and launch it in your device. Now in your Shein, make sure to log in first and foremost. After that, at the bottom, you will see the Me icon. You need to click on it. From here, under More Services, you can click on Support. Then, scroll down and you need to tap on the option of Customer Service. This will redirect you to the Customer Support Center of Shein. So in here, you can actually type your message, such as Get Invoice. After which, the bot will let you to select an item to which you want to get yourself an invoice. If I select on this one for an example, if I had purchased it, I would have the invoice of this item right over here. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.